Hey, I'm Tyler Thomas, and we're at the American, and we're going to do our cast iron skillet bread pudding. So the dish is it's really a traditional bread pudding. We don't really complicate things too much, but you know, we just believe in making things really fresh and put a little unique twist on it. We actually use Belgian white chocolate and culinary grade lavender, and we steep the lavender into the heavy cream. While that's steeping, we mix up our custard, and we actually, when we temper the eggs, we actually will strain the lavender out and then fold the heavy cream into it to make a traditional custard. The white chocolate, of course, gets melted in there, and then we fold it in to a really nice, fluffy, delicious artisan brioche bun. You know, you can use any kind of type of bread. We like the brioche because it has that really fluffy texture and really absorbs all that custard nicely. And then the other key is we make our caramel from scratch, and so just a lot of flavors, and a little scoop ice cream gives it some a nice cool and creamy bite to each. I'm Tyler Thomas, and I'm a dairy champion.